How to enable or disable encrypted backup data on your Samsung. Open your setting, then just go to the security and privacy, and from here select more security setting. Now here you can see the encrypted data protector. Select this on. Then here you can see encrypted backup data or encrypted assigns data. If you want to synchronize, then select this on, and if you want to take backup, just enable it. Then it will take your password from your Samsung account. Just enter your password. Once done, press on OK. Now you need to generate a recovery code. Just use another phone to take a picture, and once done, select I wrote down my recovery code. Press on next. Now you have to enter those code here. So I am entering the code. Once done, press on next. Now select which you want to take backup. Suppose I want to take backup for messages, calls. No, you have to take backup all. Press on continue. Now backup done. Now if you want to disable it, just disable it again. It will take mail address again. Then press on OK. Press on continue, and it will be disabled again. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.